Budget insurance. Affordable because you can't afford not to.
Hello and welcome to the Kalani racetrack outside Cape Town. We had a storm overnight, but thankfully the track is completely dry this morning because this is one of the most important drag races we've ever staged. In fact, we've done hundreds and I don't think I've ever been more excited than I am right now. I am sitting in the new Bajaj Qute, the car that has gone crazy across South Africa. It has a 216cc single cylinder motor in the back of the car. It's basically a Porsche. It's rear engined. It has 8.08 kilowatts, 18.9 Newton meters, and a top speed of 70 kilometers an hour. And today, I'm racing my colleague Ashley Oldfield, who is on a bicycle.
Right, so got to take on a car here. Well, quadricycle to be technically accurate, but I'm lighter, younger, better, faster, stronger.
Ashley Oldfield's top power output is 1.2 kilowatts, but he has a better power to weight ratio than me. And a lot of you might not know this, but besides being an exceptional racing driver, he's also an amazing bicyclist. Bicycler? Rider of bikes. I don't know what's going to happen here. To make it a bit more fair, we've loaded up the Bajaj with 4 people. So just picture the scene. You've pulled up to a robot, you've got your mates in the car, guy on a bicycle next to you wants to drag. What's going to happen? Who's going to win? Let's find out.
To be honest, I don't think I'm going to beat it, but I do have a strategy in that if it passes me, I'm going to try and pull a fully illegal maneuver and jump in behind it, slipstream it, and then hopefully come out just before the finish line. There we go, we're off. I've got a good start here.
He's ahead of me. Second gear, look at him go, look at those legs. Oh my word, I'm flat foot here.
I'm going to try to save energy here.
He's absolutely killing me. He's about 10 meters ahead right now.
40 k's an hour, 46.
Go Ash, I'm kind of rooting for you, but also for me. I'm gonna lose.
All right, crank up full power.
He's absolutely killing me. Look at those legs, pump away. I can't catch him. Go, little cute, go. He's gonna beat me by about 20 meters. Dude, I can't believe what just happened.
Dude, you gotta get yourself one of these.
I can't get even close to him. You're pulling away.
I was like, I'm starting to fade. I look back, there's a huge gap. I'm like, oh.
My whole career has been worth it. I just lost you a bicycle. I have a feeling you'd beat me without passengers. Okay, everyone, so I'm a little bit speechless. That was probably the coolest race I've ever been a part of. Ashley absolutely destroyed us. We had no hope. No hope. In fact, he was pulling away towards the finish line. Oh man. This is the best idea we've ever had. Okay, so Ash destroyed me on the first race, but we were 4 up in here, so we think it can get a bit better and a bit closer. We're going to give the Bajaj another chance. We're just 2 up in here now. It's just me and the cameraman, and I reckon this is going to be a goodie. All right, little Bajaj, let's go here. we gotta beat Ash.
All right, race face on.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, it's a good start from me. Grab second. Ash is pulling away though, hitting the red limiter in second. Ash is having a good run though, but I think I'm gaining on him a little bit.
Oh, I've heard him change it to third. Come on.
Grab fourth gear. I'm definitely keeping up with him. Oh, I'm catching him a little bit, reeling him in. Oh, come on, Ash. Give everything you got.
Oh, he's right here. I need more power.
He's burning out there. That's the last 50 meters of the drag race and I've just gone past him. Oh, sorry, Ash.
About 60k an hour there. Oh.
I know I've had more fun in my life. I'm just not sure when or where. Oh, well done, man. Yes, you had me for like 3/4 of
I heard you change to third and then it was the end.
Well done, bro.
Running out of legs there towards the end.
Yeah, no, I'm sure.
But that was good. It was close. The finish line actually looks quite close.
Yeah. So, I mean, all this being said, I drove this thing here from the office this morning on a fairly main road. If you're on your own, maybe with a little bit of luggage, it's got enough power to keep up with traffic. It's actually fine off the line. My concern is though that you put 4 people in here and not only is it heavy and the motor struggles, I think you will struggle up hills, but it's also, I think, increases the rollover risk. So, you know, it becomes more top heavy. It's a very narrow wheelbase. It's not great in crosswinds. You know, those are all things to consider. I mean, we're having a lot of fun here today, but yeah, I think you got to be careful with this thing.
Thank you very much for watching. Now, you might have noticed that Budget Insurance sponsored this video, so we just want to give them a shout out. Thank you very much for getting on board with us. Check them out if you're looking to insure a new car or just get a competitive quote against your current insurance. I was better than that than I thought I'd be.
Budget insurance. Affordable because you can't afford not to.